Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Saturday, April 22nd. I'm your host Paul, and in this video I want to look at Forex. So let's go to the charts. All right, it's going to start off with the US dollar index. And just basically like the markets, stock markets, just a lot of sideways chop all week, didn't really go anywhere. And what I see, if we drill down to like a 2-hour, is I've got a 1 and a 2, and then it came down 1, 2, 3, and then it went up in 3. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like you got your A and your B, and then this last piece they're going to make like an ending diagonal. So 3 waves down here for 1, and 3 up for 2, and now they started to come down. And I would expect like, 1, 2, and then it'd be 3, and then they'll go up in 3, and go down in 3. So I think, it's just going to be choppy, but in a downward direction. And so I think the US dollar index will probably come down to the lower end of this green area, so probably like in the 101, 30s, somewhere around here, and that's where this correction should end, and then go back up one more time to break that top, because then that'd be just a perfect A, B, C, and then that'd be A, B, and go back up for C before they reverse back down. So that's the dollar. And the euro. So the euro, just like everything else, just kind of sideways this week. But I still think that they're going to be making a running flat here. And so I think, this has more downside. So you've got like a 1, and then here's a big correction. Here's 2. And I think, in some format, they'll come down, I think probably like to the lower end of this area of this green box too. So like probably down to 106. And then, that would be just like really good looking. Now they could come down even a little bit farther, but I think, anywhere down in this range would be a really good place to start looking for the buy setup, because then that'd be just a perfect running flat. 3 ways down for A, 3 for up. For the B, come down in 5 waves down to here, and oh man, that'd be just ideal. We'll see if it plays out, because then you're going to come up and break that top one more time. So that's what I'm expecting. So this red area should be holding. They could come up a little bit higher, so maybe up to like 110, but then I think it's going to come down pretty hard for the 3rd and 4th and 5th waves. So, if you're a short-term seller, you could take a chance to pick this up, but I think buying is the way to go, or just need to have a little bit of patience. All right, the pound. Now the pound's got a little bit of a different structure. It's possible that they just made this little running flat, because it's got the impulse coming down. So this one might be just heading up right now. So it looks like you got possibly 5 waves there, and then you got like a correction already, and now they're starting to come up. So this one might be taking off. So obviously if they come and take out this 123.5 level, then this isn't going to be a running flat, and then I think they're just making probably like an expanding flat, and so the pound will probably come down in here somewhere before it reverses. But the pound definitely has a better looking chart to go up right now, where I think the euro might, well, I shouldn't say it, but it looks like the euro has more to go down. So that's the pound. And then the yen. There's a couple of ways to look at this. I can make a case that this is all a running flat. So you got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now you're going to get a correction, which they already started, and you do already have 3 waves, so that could be all the corrections. So you'd have like your A up to there, that could be B. That's just really a small, quick little correction. I would think that they're going to kind of chop around here for a little bit and then go up and break this one more time before they reverse back down. So the other thing is that this could be, they could be creating a running flat. Running flat. So this was the impulse. Here's the A move. 1, 2, 3. This was the B move. And then I would expect them to come back down a little bit farther before they head up. And then this would be a running flat. So your A, B, come break this top for C, and then reverse. So either way, I think it's just going to be getting a little choppy here. So I would wait to be a buyer lower, or I'd just wait for them to break this top and then start looking for the sell setup there. So that's what I see on the yen. So that's what I see on the Forex pairs. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.